What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, we will be talking about some of the severe weather going to be taking place in areas of, well, Oklahoma, really. Now, they've extended it. Here, I'll pull it up. But they have extended this enhanced risk basically throughout the parts of lower Kansas and even a sliver of Colorado. So if you live in the north, well, the south uh, east part of Colorado, you also have the enhanced risk, and it's really going to be impacting tonight. I'd say this chunk is already started, so if you live in any of this part right now, you're going to see probably some major storms. 2% chance for a tornado, so there was actually a tornado warning at one point. But the main thing is that hail and that wind. The wind is going to be especially dangerous. So, as you can see right now, I have waited. It's really started up later than I wish it would have, because I really wish I could be in bed right now. But since it is forming, we might as well cover on it while I can. So, as you can see, a couple of these storms are pretty severe. There's a possibly look here. There might actually be a live tornado warning. I haven't checked that yet, but there was earlier today on one of these storms. We'll see here. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, so that one's not as wrapped as the other ones were. Yeah, so earlier there was a tornado warning and it was radar indicated, so meaning that it is not sure of yet, but there is a high chance that there is rotation to put down a tornado. So that's why they do those. As you can see right now, there's just a couple, but these are basically stronger storms, and since they're isolated, they have a higher chance of becoming something strong. As you can see with some of these, you can see actually the white, which is like the worst rain, hail. So that's showing up. It's an intense storm. So got a stray little guy down here that's been pumping for actually quite a while. It's stayed in place pretty good. But these storms haven't liked to move a ton. These storms have been looming over the same sort of areas. Every single one of these has had white in them. All like this one especially has been popping off with this hail core. So they said, hail is a major threat tonight, so be careful, stay somewhere safe. Now, the wind threat is also what they were talking about, and it's going to be produced with some of these lines. So, you can see right here there's a line, and up here in Kansas there's actually a slighter line. But these lines will move throughout the whole Oklahoma, hitting Oklahoma City, Tulsa, basically anywhere in northern Oklahoma it will hit, and even parts of Florida, well, Texas will experience some issues. Even northern Kansas is still not ruled out. Like, northern Kansas has a 15% chance for both. So, anywhere in Kansas, be safe tonight. Really, the only safe place in Kansas from any of this is probably this little sliver up here. So, not the luckiest. So, definitely keep an eye out. Some of these storms are already severe. We'll see if they have issued anything yet. Okay, so one tornado, brief 30-second tornado touchdown near Mountain Church. So this was in Illinois earlier. And then Nebraska, there was a possible one. And then same tornado, just tracking upwards. It's a visible tornado. It was a smaller one, but still cool. And then in Iowa. So today's been a very active day. We've had 2, 4, 6, 8 reports today alone. So that's my part 2. And this is probably the ending of this storm. It's been crazy because we have a convective system up here in Michigan. As you can see, this thing's been spinning since about what time now? About last night it started up here. And it's just been spinning over the same area forever. And then we have this convective system up here also starting to form over North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, which Iowa's a major threat here. So make sure to stay safe, be prepared, and do not be scared about any of these. Just stay safe, have a plan. Basically, repeating what Ryan Hall y'all said, but it's very truthful. You do have to be safe. So that's the part two, and peace out.